Hi everyone, it's lab day. It's heat and motion in a liquid. And we're looking at this because we know that the mantle has convection currents and it allows the transfer of heat because the movement of that molten material. So how does this actually transfer? So we're going to kind of do this today in class. Background, as you watch a pot of water come to boil on the stove, you notice that bubbles rise to the surface of the water, first slowly and then more rapidly. You're curious about why the bubbles rise from the bottom of the pot, so you decide to investigate. You will observe how heat is transferred through the movement of liquids. So here's the materials. You need a aluminum pan. I did not. I used this bucket right here, a clear plastic cup, a dropper, but it's automatically already in the food coloring, a clock, cold water, hot water. So be careful if you're using a little more hot water. I warm mine up a little more in the microwave, not boiling or anything, but just a little warmer. You're going to pour the hot tap water into here. I filled it about this full. You fill the clear plastic cup full of cold water, and then you place the cup in the center. You allow it to stand for 2 minutes until all the motion stops. Then you get the dropper of food coloring. You hold the dropper under the cold water surface so it will be inside of here and slightly away from the edge, and you squeeze one drop in there. You observe for 1 minute, and then you're going to tell me what happened. Oh, then you're going to add another droplet ladder right in the middle of the cup and observe. This time you don't put it below the water line. Once you watch and write your observations down, right here is where you're going to compare it to our Earth's mantle. When you're finished, you're going to turn it in under assignments, heat and motion in a liquid. Let's remember we have a quiz coming up on Earth's layers, so make sure that you're preparing for that. So heat and motion in a liquid lab. Hope you get an opportunity to do this. Once you're done, you can play around with it. Put hot water in hot water, and then do maybe hot water in this, cold water in this, then cold and cold, hot and hot, and see if we get any differences. And we would love for you to share those. Have a great day.